wanna be. I forgot that part was in this. I forgot that part was in here.
Sound with my thug, right? Sound with my thug, right? Sound with my thug, right? Smash on the street, smash on the street. Aye.
What is up, guys? It's BRISxLIFE back at it again with another video, man. And this is TXT Cat and Dog. I usually say TXT Cat Dog because, you know, the Cat Dog show.
Alone in the world with a little cat dog.
But Cat and Dog, that's what it's called. And remember we had our little, we did a little dance that we made up to a little cat dog challenge on Twitter, man.
Do it this time.
And I can't wait to see this music video, man. I'm glad. This is another one of my favorites off the album. So let's just get into this video. Let go. I still can't get over that that's their intro. I get it. They're just like some cats and dogs. You know, when their parents leave, their dad and moms leave, they run up to the window and watch them go to work or something. You see all right, y'all see it. Hey, I like how their movements are actually like paused. Like, look how they're putting their hands. Yo, the production on this beat is so freaking good. I've never heard that sound before. Am I tripping or did they just add that for the music video? It was like a cat sound. Look. I've never heard that sound before. Yeah, really some cats and some dogs. That, I swear, that is like my favorite part of the song, when that bass, and then that bass come in, that y'all hear it. And I like their choreo too. Their choreo is so, one thing I like about just Big Hit and whoever does their choreos and stuff like that. Yeah, you might get like those, you know, hip hop dances that everybody does in the West. Here and there, you might get it, but they don't do it as much as other groups. I like that their choreo is kind of like almost all original. You know what I mean? Or I feel like it's all original. Like when I'm looking at the choreo, I feel like, ooh, that's interesting. That's unique. I haven't seen a perspective on that dance before. You know what I'm saying? It's not just like straight up the dance, you know, shoot dance or the whoa, you know, it's like their own variation of that dance. You know what I mean? That's what I really like about Big Hit in general. Okay, did they hold on? Did they get that one from? Yeah, know, like, little, you know, we've been doing this for a while. Hey! Oh, you see the dude with the BMX bike? Yo! This. Oh yeah, I love this part. My bad. My bad. I got y'all. Look, we gonna listen to it. Look. Yo, man, I swear, TXT. I gotta go see it. I'm seeing them when they come out, man. Y'all going, y'all. If y'all going to see TXT, man, y'all might see me there, man. Y'all might see me there. I gotta go see this in person. I don't wanna be a The choreo is so freaking fun. Oh my gosh, I wish I knew how to do this choreo. Just look how fun it is, bruh. Imagine doing this choreo with your friends, bruh. Like, oh, little puppies. Cat man. Okay. I just wanna be I forgot that part was in this. I forgot that part was in here. I forgot that part was in here. I just wanna be a dog. Yeah. I just wanna be a dog. I forgot all about that part. Yeah, I think they added those cat sounds and dog sounds. Now, I remember hearing the dog sounds, the root, root, but the cat sounds, I didn't hear as, am I tripping? I might just be tripping. Y'all let me know if the cat sounds have always been there, but I don't know, man. I don't believe so. They came back, the parents came back, yeah. Look, if you're a cat person, hit the like button for your boy. If you're a dog person, hit the like button for your boy. Me personally, I don't have any pets, but if I had to choose a pet, it'll probably be a dog. I think I'm more of a dog person. I had a dog when I was little. This video is really, really cool though. I like the concept of like, you know, like the parents leaving. When I say parents, I mean, you know how like people say dog mom, cat dad, cat, dog dad. You know what I mean? Like I like the concept of them leaving and then they go run amok and stuff like that. And then when they come back, they're, you know, nicely in the bed and they didn't do anything. And they didn't cause a ruckus in the house or anything. Like that concept is hella dope. TXT's choreo is just always fun to watch. Like, it's really like, it's really refreshing. Their choreos are really refreshing for me to see. It's really fun. If you're trying to go see a TXT concert, BTS concert, anybody's concert, remember to use my code BRISxLIFE on SeatGeek. Download SeatGeek, link is in the description below, and get $20 off your first purchase. Trying to help y'all out here with them tickets, man. The tickets be kind of pricey, man. But if it's your first purchase on SeatGeek, man, go ahead and get your $20 off and go get your ticket, man. Like button, y'all already know what to do, Briss Gang, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
뭘 해줄 거야?
말한 그대로 막힘없이 우리 다 크게 되게 해줄게.
우와. 키도 커?
Can you make us talk?
키는
가능해? 가능해?
Possible. Jimmy! Oh my God! Woo! Come on! Bring it home! Look at that, Michael! I see you, baby! Oh. Come on, Jungkook, you got this. So hard. You're the golden mock man. Come on. I told y'all. What did I say? The boy can do anything. I'm gonna have to go with Sugar. Oh, with the hat though. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, Sugar. We going with Sugar.